code-genie.ai, smart city product services to monetize with AI. AI-powered intelligent traffic management systems that optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve transportation efficiency in smart cities. Smart energy grids driven by AI algorithms that monitor and optimize energy distribution, consumption, and renewable energy integration in smart cities. AI-enabled waste management solutions that automate waste collection, sorting, and recycling processes, improving efficiency and sustainability in smart cities. Real-time environmental monitoring systems leveraging AI to analyze data and provide insights on air quality, water quality, and noise levels for better environmental management in smart cities. AI-driven video analytics platforms enhancing public safety and security by detecting anomalies, predicting potential threats, and enabling proactive response measures in smart cities. AI-powered citizen engagement platforms utilizing chatbots, virtual assistants, and personalized services to improve interaction, communication, and participation between citizens and smart city administrations. Urban planning and optimization solutions employing AI algorithms to analyze data, simulate scenarios, and provide insights for informed decision-making in smart city development. AI-based emergency management systems that leverage real-time data analysis and predictive modeling to enhance preparedness, response, and recovery efforts during crisis situations in smart cities. AI-driven predictive maintenance services for smart city infrastructure, using data analytics and machine learning to identify maintenance needs, minimize downtime, and optimize resource allocation. Smart water management systems integrating AI to monitor, analyze, and optimize water consumption, leakage detection, and irrigation practices in urban areas, promoting sustainable water resource management in smart cities. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.